What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with everything that I'm doing on my channel. I'm on my road to 1,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you go back, hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button so other people can know that I'm dropping these dope videos. Today, we got an unboxing for you. I got another shoe from the good guys at Nike. You know, Nike can never make up their mind. Are we doing the Just Do It tape? Are we not doing the Just Do It tape? I don't get it. I don't get it. I really don't get it. I don't know if it's because it's coming from different factories. It just doesn't make any sense to me, man. But we're gonna get into this shoe, man. Like I said, man, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. I appreciate all the subscribers. Appreciate everybody that hits that like button, man. It means a lot, honestly. We're getting into this box, though. I've had this shoe sitting for about a couple days. 2 days, 3 days. But I wanted to hurry up and unbox the shoe. I've been waiting, man. Look, I be waiting for you guys to unbox my shoes. We do this together. We're a family. You know what I'm saying? Bam! Y'all know the vibes. We got an Air Jordan 1. You should be able to tell by the box. Black smoke gray. White. Yes, sir. Straight from Nike. Sneakers. So basically, I've been hitting a little bit for the weirdos. Sometimes I hit, sometimes I don't hit. And yeah, man. What was the last shoe I hit? Oh, go check my last video. I hit on the 11 low, them all white things. Ooh. Wow. Yo. I like these. These are clean. Ready? Bow. The Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. I guess people call them what, the Shadow 2.0? These are clean. Let's go around the shoe. We'll start at the toe box. You got like a matte black on the toe. Around the toe box, you got this, I guess, like nubuck. Super soft. Now the leather's not that soft. It's not like Chicago Jordan 1 hard, but at the same time, it's not that tumble leather that everybody likes. You come around to the side, got your gray Jordan. It's also in the same material as the rest of all the grid that you see on this shoe. Heel. As I look around the shoe, I'm not seeing any flaws. I don't see any glue stains like that. Oh my God, that smell! So bad. Oh my God, bruh. I would cop these, man. If you were thinking about copping these shoes, I would cop these. People are asleep on these. These shoes are not bad at all. It's not that tumble leather, right? And it comes And it comes with a spare pair of laces. I'll grab the other shoe. Bruh, this shoe is not bad at all. Yeah, I'm super happy I got my hands on these. But yeah, man, it's the other shoe. We'll just look around it real quick. The sole, I don't know if I showed you guys the sole, black sole. Got the white around the mid right here. These are clean, man. I don't know what these are going for, and I don't have my other phone on me, but I could see these going up in price. I could 100% see these going up in price. These are clean. Whew, that smell, man. Look on the inside of the shoe real quick. So you got the Nike Air, and what color is that? It looks like it's just in white. Nike Air in white. Then you got a white Nike Air on the tongue. And these things is clean. Look at that. I just wanted to do a quick video, man. I'm not no B-roll on this, but I'll get as close up as I can, so you can just get an idea for yourself to see if you really want to buy these, you know, on the resale market. I would buy these at the price. I'm sure they're not at a crazy price right now, but these are clean. These are super clean. It was a good pickup. So man, I've gotten 2 pickups in the last 3 weeks, so that's not bad, man. That's not bad. I got one off of sneakers, and I got one from Davey McFly. Shout out to Davey, man, for the no look pass he did the other week. Retail plus shipping. But a good, man, a good another retail pickup for your boy. You gotta welcome these 2 shoes to the collection, man. These are super clean, man. Look at the Wings logo. These are super duper clean. For a second, I thought my account was bad, but I've been hitting, so. Anyways, you guys, I appreciate you guys for tapping in with your boy. Please hit that subscribe button. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. God, these shoes up. Yeah, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, man. We'll do a giveaway or something. I don't know what we'll do, man. But help me get to 1,000 subscribers, man. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.